Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to send SMS with Twilio. First thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar is we just have to type out Twilio and we'll be able to see the first website. So you just have to click on that website, and before we start, I am going to show you first the pricing of the Twilio. Okay, so once we're here, we just have to simply click on the pricing, this one, and then just have to click on the see all pricing option. Okay, so this one right here, then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then here we can start for free and then pay as you go. Okay, so you can also click on contact sales. Then right here we have the alerts and notifications. So since we are going to focus on the SMS, we can send and receive SMS and MMS messages starts at $0 to send or receive a message. So we can view the SMS pricing first before we can start for free. So right here, transparent, scalable, usage-based pricing for Twilio. So only pay for what you use. Don't get stalled by contacts, capacity planning, and rigid price models. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to simply click on the start for free option. Okay, so you can also click on this one right here at the top right to start using the Twilio. Okay, and then of course after that is we have to sign up for an account, so get access to your free trial of Twilio comms. Okay, so here we just have to type out our first name, last name, email address, and then password, and then we just have to simply click on this box right here, or we can also sign up with Google. So I'm just going to sign up with Google. Then after that, you'd be directed to your account dashboard. Okay, so for step number 1 is we have to get our number. Okay, so we have to get a Twilio phone number. To get started sending or receiving SMS message with Twilio, you will need a virtual phone number. So this trial phone number will allow you to build and prototype while routing voice calls or text messaging to any phone or application workflow. Your trial includes one US 10 DLC phone number. So you'd be able to see that right here. But as you can see, I already have mine since I already clicked on the button where we can get a number. And once you have your number, you'd be able to see that right here as well. So this is your Twilio phone number. Okay, now to get started, just click on the messaging option right here at the left side, and we can see here the overview. Okay, as you can see right here for the messaging overview, send and receive messages at scale with messaging APIs. So you can reach customers in over 180 countries and join the millions of developers who help or depend on Twilio to deliver messages reliably. So just have to simply click on the try SMS option right here. But before that, we can also go here on the product section. Okay, so let me just click on this one right here at the left side. So just click on the explore products, and then of course for the programmable communications we have here messaging. Okay, we also have a video, chat, conversations, and more. Okay, so let me just scroll down right here, and of course we also have voice intelligence. Okay, so what we're going to do here, since we're going to focus on the SMS, we just have to select messaging and you'd be directed to this overview right here. So just have to simply click on try SMS and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see this page. So right here we have send to virtual phone or send to personal number. So first we are going to select the send to your virtual phone, and right here we just have to select our number, of course. Next is the sender type. So we have phone number or messaging service. But for this one, I'm just going to select the phone number. Okay, so let me just click on this one. And then of course right here, choose a sender number. So as you can remember, we already have our Twilio number or our trial number. So let me just go back right here to my account dashboard, and we can find that again right here. So we just have to copy this one and then go back to the send an SMS. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and we just have to paste it right here. Then after that, you will then just have to type out right here your message, of course. Like for example, you're using Twilio to update your client about a specific task or orders and more. Okay, so let me just type it right here. Hello and good day. Just an update about your etc. Okay, and then you will then just have to simply click on the send and SMS. And right here at the right side, we have the API Explorer, and here is the virtual phone. And of course, right here we have our messaging logs. But since we don't have our first message, so we cannot find our messaging logs right here. So let me just click on the send and SMS. And right here under the virtual phone, you'd be able to see here how it looks like. Okay, so assuming this is our client, and then they'd be able to receive our message. Okay, so next is we are going to try and explore the API. Okay, so right here we have here the code, and if you don't really have any knowledge about coding, don't worry, because we don't really have to understand it or study it in order for us to use Twilio. So next one is the send to personal number. So assuming that you're trying to send this to a personal number, you just have to type out the number. Next is our phone number, and then right here is the message. Okay, so just have to do the same, but as you can see right here, the virtual phone is grayed out since we are now going to send this to a personal number. And then after that, you will then just have to click on send an SMS. But as you can see right here, the send test SMS is failed since this is just a trial number. So in order for us to try the send to personal number, is we have to upgrade our plan. So we have to pay for this one so that we can send our message to a personal number. So just click on this option, okay? And then you'd be directed to this page where you can upgrade your account and start sending your messages. So right here we have to create your customer profile first. Okay, so you just have to read these things. Then after that, you will then just have to click on the continue option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here just the basics. You just have to let them know your name and phone number so we can start building your customer's profile. So you just have to provide everything, and then of course your payment option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.